Greetings, people at the Bar Talk, yeah. Yeah, man. So, Bar Talk is here again. Episode again, people. Episode few, season few.
Season few,
Yeah,
episode
man.
few, yeah.
Yeah, so big up to the man them at the bar. So we have Jiro, King Solomon, and Govo, Yad, and myself, the teacher. So, like, share, subscribe. Don't know people. Keep the comments active. Don't this on the active chat. So, bless up on yourself.
Big up ladies in the bar, too.
Big up the girl them at the bar, you know? Sexy girl them. Yeah.
Nah, I'm not drinking idea.
What? I went at the bar. I went at the bar today.
Alicia, man.
Alicia? We're so on to Salah. I'm like, I'm glad to see Alicia at the bar.
Okay,
so, for me, a cold Guinness with a cup of ice. What the man them want?
A back and Napoleon with two cranberry juice.
Glass and a melon beer.
Yeah, man, me just drink a cold malt. A cold malt.
We have a big topic we want to discuss today because we realize that we have numerous dancehall artists who are somewhat crossing over into the US market. We have like the likes of Spice who do over there. We have Shensea. We have what name ya?
Skilly
Benry over there. Alkaline over there. We have Kranium over there.
No, hold on. Are you saying that they're physically there, or are you saying that their music is promoted there?
Both
That's
of them
where they are
physically.
big.
So,
Right
physically being there doesn't mean that your music is being circulated.
Yeah, but
and your music mainstream. So, we could just focus on who for music mainstream.
No, but what I'm saying is that the topic is that we have these artists who are somewhat in the industry, in overseas, in the US. However, we're not getting that breakthrough. What is it that is causing dancehall music to not get that major breakthrough in not just the US market in regards to music, but on a worldwide level? Why is it that dancehall music, it's like we only do music and it only reach Jamaicans locally and Jamaicans in the diaspora? The music no feel like it a reach where it for reach.
So in other words, the music stuck on a level then, basically. What we think can cause that? Because we can start from where Shabba come right up. We see where Shabba them go Billboard and Shabba them win Grammy. But outside of them, we don't really have nobody. We're in a 2021. And if we talk about dancehall on an international level, we only can mention two man right now. And the two man them are the same shade in that the two man them brown, the two man them have pretty hair, the two man them don't look Jamaican.
Uptownish.
Yeah, why is it that is the issue now? Run through the come see say you're well eager.
Well eaten. Alright,
Yeah, one up.
Alright, topic
One up,
change.
y'all alone eat it, but well eat it. One up.
Careful.
Anyways.
One up, what kind of anyways that? Which one say anyways? Sir? One up.
You leave me alone, brother.
One up, which one say leave me alone?
Move that, no?
Good.
Let me go now. Alright, let me go. Anyways. What I say is with this noise, to me, yeah, what I say with the topic I know, what I say the problem is the market of the product. That's the real problem. The persons locally is not probably trained enough. Cause what's one difference between our the genre music, like compared it to hip hop. The main difference with hip hop and us now is it's in terms of marketing. They have a better marketing stream than a dancehall stream. Cause remember, you know, the music don't really have no one use talent again, you know.
But yeah, remember that hip hop also have certain infrastructure and certain advantage.
Well,
Meaning
no,
hip hop
yeah,
is from the US and
yeah,
USA
that's
basically control global media
yes,
through cable
understand.
and satellite. So them have that advantage where them can ride on. So you can't just say
No, you
compare
can't
hip hop with dancehall out of
listen, man,
context.
let me talk, no. You can't really use that because remember I said
But that you use, compare with hip hop. You can't really just compare hip hop like that.
Sir, remember we advancing technology. We live in a Baccarat. We have internet.
How much cable channel Jamaica
our
music
all over the world still can go further than Jamaica, Mr. Ngouv.
I mean, I say cannot, but I say hip hop have an advantage.
You move like Jamaica primitive. We are not primitive.
Never say Jamaica primitive.
Anyways, it's in terms of marketing, that's the main. Yeah, the marketing is the main difference. If the product now market properly, because the people in Jamaica, the people who do that dancehall stuck in a one thing. So talent alone with this thing. It's not talent again. It's 10% talent. And the rest of it is marketing. Remember me tell you that.
All right, so watch this though. You done?
No, additional. Let me tell you, additional why people even know, comparing Shensea and even Spice. Look who they're further.
Who is further?
And Spice is more, to me, is more talented.
No, so who they're further?
Shensea.
Snapchat bull.
Yeah.
Shensea is a
Shensea.
Nobody wants to hear Spice.
A household name.
Nobody wants to hear Spice.
Just trending. Spice is a household name.
The only reason why Spice is
Spice
popular
upon love and hip hop, Check love and
hip hop. That's why it's popular.
Love and hip hop viewership.
I know because of music, Papa.
And love and hip hop.
No,
and the music
no,
but she's a dancehall artist and love and hip hop.
And go, let me tell you something about music now. The reason why Spice popular.
Take him to school, yeah.
The reason why Spice is popular in America because I love and friggin' hip hop.
So why is she on love and hip hop? No, because she's a dancehall artist.
Exactly.
May I ask a question there? Why is she there? Is she there because of her good looks? Is she there because she has acting talent, or is it because she's a dancer?
Three main reasons.
I know, I can't speculate about that in the end.
Well, let me inform you.
You can't inform me. You haven't sent me that.
Let me inform you.
Because I dancehall.
She's there because she's a dancehall artist, sir.
Ladies.
But if you check even love and hip hop, I pay played out style. Let me tell you that. If you know what's love and hip hop. I pay played out style.
Like you're tuning in here.
Anyway, you want to come to me about love and hip hop? Let me teach you about love and hip hop.
Yeah, the dad is set.
Man, tune in every week.
Joseline, you have
the rage, them, you have some.
Love Joseline
and Joseline people there.
Love Joseline.
But pre this story, Zine, because as you had said, a marketing are the real issue behind dancehall not reaching where it's supposed to reach. Now watch this. If I'm marketing, right? Remember say companies and industries now go just put them money in a something what them now guaranteed a return on. Now just as I mentioned hip hop. And him say hip hop are the better based on marketing. Hip hop started from the ground just like dancehall. Hip hop was just for a way out for the poorer people.
Remember?
Hip hop is
set the trend.
Right.
Hip hop.
There's a difference between hip hop and rap music.
Right.
You are talking about rap music, sir.
All right, sir.
Hip hop derived from dancehall.
Hip hop derived from rap.
No, the part that he's talking about, the part that he's talking about when you talk about from the poor and whatever.
No, but I say it reach where it
underground rap music.
Yeah, but I start from where it reach
Hip hop
where
don't come from the ground too. Hip hop don't come from the ground to Solomon.
No, you know, get to me, you know, the part
but I say
from the ground, the streets as well.
Yeah, but you not get what I say neither. I said people, marketing companies were not pushing money in the product until they saw where it was able for them to make returns.
Popular
culture. You can't say that. This is why we have to first go to the argument, the real reason, the first reason why it's not mainstream or it's not worldwide or it's not as significant as possible. First of all, you have to know this. The last 5 years set of number ones. Sorry by Justin Bieber and a couple of Sia have one too. All Jamaica influence music. You see me I said? One of the main
Jamaican
reasons
influence.
No, wait no
Right.
man. One of the main reasons are the patois. You can't go around the patois.
What,
That's
that's
not
an
so,
inhibition or that's a propel?
Wait no man. Now
Patois
you
only
listen
by
to me
side
for
of
a
push
second.
on.
No, you
You
can't
listen to
use
me
Dancehall
for a
beat.
You
second.
can't use patois.
Una
You can't
listen to
use
me
patois.
for a
The
second, brother.
beat, not the patois.
Yeah,
The
listen to me
Not
for
beat
a
is
patois.
second.
unique.
No, not
No,
patois.
the
Not
beat,
patois.
brother.
Not
It's
patois.
not the
Beat,
beat.
nobody
Not
try
patois.
That's
patois
how
is a
Americans
beat.
can
No,
come
no,
on the
no,
same beat.
no,
The
not
beat.
patois.
Americans can come on the
Give
same
them love
beat.
language in the teacher.
Yeah,
Brother,
but it's not the
not a
patois, the
matter of
beat.
Not
loving
patois.
the language,
Not
The beat.
patois.
sir.
It's
Una
not
give me
The
a
patois.
second.
beat.
Not
Brother,
patois.
Solomon, the beat. We have to
you
correct your
can't
fan
give me
that
a
the
second.
beat.
No,
You can't
the
give me a
same
second.
We have to
from the pure
debunk that.
Not patois.
No,
No,
oh, to
hold
be
on,
That's
debunk.
the
Listen,
no,
yes,
to be clear.
una go wait now.
Salaman, be clear. What area answer first?
First of all,
yeah.
the reason why, can we always use Sean Paul and Shaggy.
Mm-hmm.
As
The
what?
reason why
Flag
Sean
bearer?
Paul and Shaggy could influence the music like how they influence the music because they have a better understanding when the music go out there, brother.
What do you mean?
like
People
a,
can
No.
understand Sean Paul?
no, that's so
no.
like when that's so like a
One day if you
bleaching
listen
for one day.
Yeah,
to
listen, me I say.
That's so like
Sean
bleaching
Paul
for
biggest
one day.
song.
Wrong.
That's
all
like
about.
Based on them
Get
color
busy in
and
a
how
patois.
them look.
Wait a minute.
Teacher,
If you
get
brother,
busy in a patois.
Because them
you
things
know,
them a
you
quote
wait say.
Sean Paul biggest song, Get Busy, that's in patois.
You know, hear me say, no, brother. I'm not
give me the
talking
light.
about patois right in a
Give me
many
the light,
ways
boss.
and farm, you know.
Cross.
Give me,
Not
No,
get
but
give
business.
me light
Get
and
Busy
patois.
did go forward and give me the light in
No,
terms
but
of
give me light and
sales
patois.
and son
Brother,
and
that's not,
how far it go.
brother. What the first thing Corey Taddy look pan Cartel and say?
Tell me, no?
Pronunciation and slow it down.
No, the man never tell him that.
What do me
Did
say
that
to
create in
Idonia?
global?
What do me say to Idonia?
No, for doing a patois. They never tell him to stop
Brother,
singing a
it's not a
patois.
matter of patois, it's how you pronounce the word, brother. And
No,
how you
brother.
have to show it.
Yo,
Brother,
in other words,
brother.
summertime.
No,
Eat-
kid, no,
Solomon,
Blood clot this.
Solomon.
No,
Brother,
that.
something, this is not something more me asking about.
Something me I tell you can't tell me about my
Me
teacher.
tell me, say, you
Solomon.
ever
Can't
produce
tell me
a
about my
song yet?
teacher.
You ever produce
A
a song
Gaza.
yet?
I mean,
You ever produce
that
a
now
song
not
yet?
for the produce a song yet. You can't tell me
You
about
ever
Gaza.
go in a studio and
But
listen to
talk
a voicing
about
session yet?
Gully them and people. Don't do that.
Brother, you
Don't do
ever
that
go
for
in
my
a
teacher.
studio and listen to a voicing session yet?
I study teacher. Don't do that.
Yo,
You can't
Solomon.
study teacher.
Solomon.
Okay, brother. Don't do that, dad.
I mean, yeah,
Can't
let
live,
them
you
know what
cannot,
I'm going.
Solomon, case in point is summertime. You get that? You remember the song there? When you
One
slow
summertime.
down the melody, slow it down,
Summertime.
slow down the lyrics,
And ensure see you
And
hear
do the
every word
clarity.
we must say.
and it went to a different level.
I can tell you 10 easy songs we go above summertime. But you talk about summertime.
But you talk about the man never
I'm just
say no
case
other
in
song
point.
go over
We are
summertime.
telling
brother.
about case in point of
Case in
summertime.
point.
No case in that and a case
That's
in
the
point.
case in point.
All right,
Everything
why
you
you
go.
think when at the
Don't
eat
do that, brother. Don't do that.
Movado and
Don't
Cartel?
do that, dog. Don't do that.
Why
Don't do
you
that.
think
do that,
what was the main reason why them reach out to Movado? What the main reason?
Who is them? We refer as them.
Because
Yeah,
as
When
Jeru
him
said,
sign, when him sign him deal, when him sign him
as Jeru
deal.
said, them see the potential to get some returns from an investment.
Why?
Them see the potential to get some returns from some investment.
On pronouncing words, brother.
Yeah, because he's a sing-along artist. He's a sing-along artist.
And that's why may I show you I'd say
And
yeah,
that Cartel
it have a whole heap to do with enunciation and clarity. What you think right now?
That's all music. That's a basic.
Yeah, and what you think right now?
Oh, but that's not
But
totally.
right now,
that's not totally factual because, as I say,
no, brother, we are
no,
not
man,
saying.
and get
Brother, we
Lana,
are not saying
most
that
people
it's a total
can
all
sing those songs and don't understand what the song mean.
Who you talk?
Dancehall
you know.
big in Japan
All right.
and them don't understand the words of the
We
dancehall.
agree, you know. But watch
Yes,
this.
I'm not say nothing yet.
Watch this though. Why you think that currently the biggest dancehall artist out there now in mainstream, I must say mainstream, outside of Jamaica, out there in the world now, is who?
We are
Sean
Popcaan.
Paul now.
No, I say take out Sean Paul, take
We
out
are
Shaggy.
Popcaan, I say.
Yeah. Why?
Intense.
What do you mean by Intence? About Intence. After the man about Intence.
Mainstream, brother.
Intense, brother.
A Popcaan. Because
I mean,
Popcaan.
worldwide. If I local,
Worldwide,
intense.
We not the
Locally and
music bigger than local, and that's the problem with we. Everything we think about local.
Brother.
No,
The
but me have a problem with
pronunciation,
your
me
philosophy
not
now, where you have to
asking
say,
that.
we have to measure who the best is based on how them accepted by the world. Why is it that we, who are the creators of dancehall music, we can say this person reached the highest of the heights when we as
Because end of the day,
Jamaicans
in Google,
accept
there's
them
not
as
a
the highest of the
robust,
heights?
there's not a robust marketing structure in Jamaica. As me that tell them saying that today, if you're in America, an artist can go to a big label and go to the big label and work out where my work, get a listening session, and if him good enough,
Yeah.
more than likely man
Solomon,
gets
that's
signed.
the infrastructure that you need to teach Yad
No,
about. I was
But
teaching
you're not
No,
getting
but
me
what
Yad
listen,
about
I
that.
say,
Tell him about the musical infrastructure that we don't have.
what I know, you're not talking about industry, the marketing not gonna be a part of the industry to Papa.
that me just say,
But you are
what
going
did
to
I
say,
just
not
say?
gonna be a part of the
No,
industry,
but
bad
what
man.
first thing me say?
that is the
Let me say,
infrastructure that's
There's
necessary.
not a robust marketing infrastructure.
So not that not enlighten my point, bad man.
No, tell me never say you're wrong.
Well, I'm
No,
I'm
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 not
drop
talking
in
to
some.
I'm not talking
Beer, cross
Kill
start
him dead.
and nice.
In
Well,
place stuck at 2004.
well,
I don't know about Intence and play is Killy Bang and
well,
That for
I
sure,
I
I say them man then they reach
The
nowhere yet.
Intence is somebody
well,
now.
I'm bridging. I'm
But me
drop
I
in
say,
something.
we
I
want
said
Piad.
this.
They
What
you
you
can't
talk
talk
about?
about dance and not talk
Come on,
about them
man.
on the Yahoo boys.
Them man
But
they
they
gimmicks.
use-
Yahoo
Them
Boys
man
a
they
big
not
song.
talent. Them man is
I
gimmicks
mean,
to
if a
get
big song, are the
popularity.
biggest dancer song now.
Where?
Yahoo boys
but
are the
that-
biggest
where?
dancer
but-
song
Spider
now.
pie chart.
Where?
Spider pie
Now
Where?
chart.
answer,
But
tell me,
yeah.
I tell you no.
Yeah,
But
we
yeah.
are
Where?
underground. Underground.
Where?
Underground.
Go to
Don't do that
airport.
to me. Don't do that to
Underground,
me,
you must say
Emperor.
Jerry,
Pass
underground.
above you. Run
Stop
about.
above you,
I'm
run
gonna be a
about.
sign. I'm gonna be a sign. Anyway, me I
the
show
thing
you
is, you
thing. Well, I know. In the 90s, when Shabba there win up Grammy, we never have the structure anyway. We never have it in a Sean Paul
but
time.
where
So
Shabba where Shabba went to get that Grammy? Where you had
Sony
to go?
records, sir. Sony records.
Exactly.
Because Sony.
Exactly.
Being the man, they have to go virgin. But what me I try to say
Exactly.
is,
So that's exactly the point. Are
Well,
there
I know.
Jamaican companies?
No.
No.
It's
And
so-
why is it that
So
these companies?
Solomon,
And why is it that these companies?
we need to build a thing, Solomon.
Then
All
that's
right.
the whole point.
Exactly.
What happening in Jamaica? What happening in Jamaica long time. That is why me
That's why it's a
have a
eat
problem
food thing,
with
and that
Bounty.
now go change.
That's why I have a problem
It's
with
more
Bounty
so
Killer,
now.
Beanie
Man,
Man,
them
and all of
artists,
them.
man, them have them phone. Man, them record them song on phone and send it to
Why
producer.
you have a problem
That
with
now
them?
go nowhere.
That
That
go
now
on
go
Why you
now.
have a
nowhere,
problem?
teacher.
That you them are the know. You them are the one producer. Producer on tablet.
Why you have
But
a
me not
problem with them?
understand, you know. There's
Solomon.
a difference. There's
Buy
a
views
difference
and this.
between. There's a
They
difference
say
between. The second thing too. There's a difference between
They say
you
they know, brother.
producing 10 songs and only make 10,000 US out of it, and producing one song and make $1 million US out of it.
Man, them not pre that man. You the man not pre.
Look
So
what-
that because there's no
Disposable
industry.
music.
What are we talking
Hustling
about,
thing a go
teacher?
on.
We're talking about the
Hold on.
issues why
Yeah,
the
but
youth
what
them
me I
now
show you that I go
benefit.
on now, and
But
that's
teacher,
what the youth them a do.
but teacher.
I have to accept that them
Come
are doing
on.
and I
Me
get
have
them
to
views. You know?
accept that. What are we talking about, dog?
And that I go on. That me I
No,
say
but
that I
you
go
are
on
you
now.
are talking about
But
a
teacher.
different argument, brother. You have to accept.
And the
But
same
we are
thing.
not talking about whether or not
We are
accept
talking
or
about,
not. The argument is
channel that now go
why
on
the
now.
reason why dancehall now go where it's supposed to go. So what you're talking
And me
about,
free
accept
what you
that.
say about me I say what the youth them
But
are
Solomon, tell you why you blame. Why you blame
thing.
Beanie and Bounty now? Why you blame
Hold on.
I
Go on
have a
now.
problem with artists where rub shoulders and been around the real music industry.
Brother, being
And
in a
you
bus
just-
nobody. Say you're being in that.
Where you say? Hear the
Being in a
man.
bus
No man,
nobody.
Beanie Man boss
No,
people.
hear
Future
the
fan
man,
boy
hear the
thing.
man,
Beanie
hear the
Man boss
man.
people.
What-
Don't follow popular
Brother,
who is
opinion.
Being a man a bus
Who is
nobody.
future
Beanie Man
fanboy?
boss people.
No, brother,
Oh,
when
oh.
still not, when still
Being a man a bus nobody. You
brother,
can't
what we are
blame
talking
being a
about?
man now. At this stage.
What are you talking about blaming?
Talk not Solomon make you hear what you
What are
say.
you,
where you
teacher?
talk?
No, teacher, what are
Talk
you?
where you talk. Talk where you talk.
Brother,
Because I know
what
where
you-
you bring up Beanie
First
and
of all,
Bounty at this nowadays. Beanie and
listen
Bounty
for a
time done.
second. Listen for a second.
Yeah,
What was
yeah, man.
Bounty's main growth with Cartel and Movado? And
Kind of
tell
because
me.
them boss
What if I
and
think?
because them are do them own thing, you know. And because him can't recoup anything at all from them, you know. When
So
in
you
the
say
day,
never
if
sign them?
Bounty
We
Killer
say never
had,
sign
if
them?
Bounty Killer had, why think Cartel is forever? benefiting from all of them artists the way me do. We can't sign them and bring them to the world.
So wait.
Cartel was the so what Bounty Killer should have do is sign these artists, have a record label, pay for all of the needs we need, set up him thing a certain way, set up a proper distribution, a proper
But I'm on a two different time period and
but you're not getting
time period I mentioned.
But you're not getting me not talking about a time period, I'm just talking about.
No, but that's an issue, but that's a factor right there. That's a factor right there because in a Bounty days, the structure different. Yeah.
No, in Bounty days it's structured the same way.
No, but you would just tell we say Bounty never structure anything in a particular way there.
Because
that was the common
place.
I
said to you. That's why
that was a common thing. That was common at that time.
No, but he had experience. He had experience enough to work with food.
The industry never reached a certain level of structure.
But no one just say. No, the argument is that saying that the day. A lot of the legends them complain say the youth them nowadays keep the original form of the music, and that's one of the reasons them why. Or you have to keep the original form of the music or keep what it is supposed to be.
My thing,
set up mechanism.
My thing is,
you know, set up nothing at all.
The sound of music evolve, music change. So I now gonna be the one to come and say the new dancehall music is crap. I now gonna be the one to say that. What I will say is that the reason behind it not going mainstream or showing its true potential is, as I said earlier, the enunciation and the pronunciation of the words
and the marketing industry.
We're
not getting all right. Look at Nigerian music. 3/4 of people don't understand why Nigerian music.
Yeah, because they are not singing English.
No, but it's still
the beat.
People could understand Shabba Jerry.
Right now,
Shabba so much the
words English.
Shabba
right now.
We have
one of the biggest farm of music in the world.
Right. Shabba did use English.
Music one of the biggest farm of music in the world.
Shabba use English.
Shabba songs that went from Billboard and them thing that were slower songs. It was named in fast beat song. I was in Triller Load.
Enguvo is not a matter. Enguvo is not a matter. Patwana is a matter of
the beat. Keep them love the beat.
But teacher is not just the patwa.
It's the pronunciation
in Jamaican language.
Yeah, but it was slow. It wasn't fast. It wasn't fast. It was slow.
Teacher, guess what teacher be insecure by thinking we are beat down on the language. It's not a beat down on the language. It's not a beat down on the language, sir. In order for you to become mainstream, you have to give and take certain things.
All right, watch this.
Yeah, so the man sing English.
We're not saying English.
That's what I try to say.
We never said English, sir. You're a liar.
We're saying slow down.
You are a defamatory person, brother.
No,
you are
still can be
a conjurer, necromancer.
No, listen to me now.
Crossover.
All right,
necromancer, sir.
Nobody never said that.
Nobody never said that. Nobody never said that.
Witch. Them love your same way.
Nobody never said that. You're a witch.
Enunciate.
Nobody never said that. You're a little
Solomon. Solomon, watch this. Solomon, watch this. TJ, dancehall artist TJ.
Yeah.
Watch an interview with him today.
Yeah.
And the man said, him change. Since him change in management. And him there overseas, as it is at the time. Him will link up with Timbaland. Him say him have to slow down how him talk. Timbaland understand what he must say. He never say him stop talk.
No, brother, the man said Timbaland understand.
No, listen to you see why you're a problem? You never listen to the thing properly. No. That is not what him say. Relax now, I don't talk. Because him say him slow down. Hold on, Solomon, I'm done. Him say while he was talking to him, he had to slow down how he spoke. So him could understand him. Him say when Sharon asked him or if him understand the song what him listen to, him say yeah, him understand the song.
So now the song we are talking about, my youth. We're not talking about him talk. We are talking about the song.
Go there and him there talk to the man regular. Him wouldn't understand him.
We're not talking about him talk to him. We are talking about the song. The song we are talking about.
So teacher, if an artist says Shaggy say Shaggy, I do an interview,
Yeah,
and them
yeah,
ask
no,
Shaggy the
heard.
same question, and Shaggy say, yes, still how some of the time them are the pot was still you have to kind of slow it down and pronounce it a certain way, certain raw patois, because you have to live the patois to really understand the patois a certain way. So you can still speak Jamaican, but at the same time you have to understand, say, it have to closer to the English than closer to the patois. What you that say?
Shaggy
Okay,
no,
matter?
Shaggy no do not like that. Shaggy never go up and
No, it's all
Shaggy's
right.
a man.
So
Shaggy's a
suppose
man
Sean Paul,
support
Sean Paul
dancehall.
is there. Then
You listen
suppose
Shaggy
Sean
interview
Paul,
them.
then
The
suppose
man never,
Sean
the
Paul
man
said
now go
that.
so that Shaggy
Then
run with
suppose Sean Paul said
support
that.
authentic dancehall,
Now
brother.
suppose Sean Paul said that.
The original Jamaican.
There's no such
Shaggy.
thing as original dancehall,
So what then? So what is it then?
brother.
Shaggy now come and
You
talk about for
have
change of word.
different
Never,
eras
brother.
of dancehall. You have
Never.
different eras of
Shaggy
dancehall.
never come and talk about enunciate. No,
Dancehall, the
brother.
trap dancehall now. So where you say it's not dancehall? So if
Me never,
Shaggy
no, it
is
named trap dancehall. That is not dancehall. Named trap dancehall.
If Sean Paul
That is
is
trap
say,
dancehall.
if Sean
Not a
Paul is
dancehall.
say that, would you take that? Would you take that as an expert?
Sean Paul
opinion?
now go say that, brother. Don't
All
talk
right.
about things
All
where man
right.
them not say. Please, not do that.
Man. All right. So
And
let's
them man, they
tally the
support
let's
the
tally the
raw.
challenges facing the dancehall singer open
No,
to
use
reach
something more
American
realistic. No,
market.
man, you don't use something where you make
First
up.
and the biggest is the way we speak. Sean Paul says most of us sing in patois, which involves every year.
Google.
So
You
you
gonna
can't
Google
write
search.
it down in a textbook.
I bring
You can't,
facts.
but you
Man, I
can't
gonna
reach it
Google
to
search.
someone unless they live it. That's the expert Sean Paul, who has been on mainstream for years. So what will you say now, sir?
Man, them still for do them thing authentic. Shabba album, raw album.
All right.
Dancehall.
Jack's producer points to underlying problem. Jamaican's market lack of robust infrastructure for the international distribution. So where you going to
thing different. Sean Paul, brother.
Sean
Paul,
Oh, yeah, change up your words.
in a way more sense.
Where you say?
Art and Life Grammy album was authentic dancehall. Shabba 2 album them, authentic dancehall.
Come give me the light.
Something with Shabba and we can talk.
That was so not.
Simple. Simple.
Oh,
Nobody
Jamaican man.
Sean Paul.
You say that on a daily basis? Hey, come give me the light. Yo, my dog, come give me the light now.
That's a Sean Paul, my youth. They can't use them, man.
Light now, dog. Dog, come give me a light now.
That's so like, you know
that's so like? That's how
come on, man.
Upper class, rich,
white youth them talk.
Dog, come give me a light now, dog.
Madness that.
Dude.
Come again, brother.
Dude. Give me a light, dude.
Sean Paul sang them playing at the grimy dance like that.
Come give me a light. That's mainstream, dog. So what are you talking about?
Yeah, I wouldn't label Sean Paul as a dancehall artist right now.
No,
see
but
that?
the thing, what
you think
you don't have to label him
as a reference to
Sean
Paul and go for. And you are labeling him now.
And then him switch over and something.
It's not you are labeling him.
That's what I'm doing. That's what I am doing. But that's what I'm doing.
Give me Shabba it. Give me Shabba it. The it.
Trilla load.
Nah, man.
The song. Watch out now.
Champion. The song where I have the video for.
Mr. Loverman.
The big bad
Mr. Loverman.
Mr. Loverman.
No,
yeah.
Sing that tune there. Sing that tune and hear the dog pronounce it.
Where was it? What's that man?
Real dancehall.
No, sing the tune and hear the dog pronounce it.
Real dancehall. Real
dancehall. First of all, real dancehall, not on a dancehall beat. Not on a dancehall beat. Not on a dancehall beat.
True.
Crossover dancehall beat.
That's crossover.
Even Mad Cabra, Flex.
And secondly,
Flex was dancehall.
Girl, Flex, time for your Flex. Another
Flex
crossover beat.
Yeah, so
why you think Mr. White Man they come here and mash up dancehall now?
You talk for Snow?
Well, name Snow. And Snow
no,
and
Snow
Snow
with sense now.
me talk sense. No, guess what? Why you think Alba Rose? Why you think Alba Rose the mash up
That's reggae thing that.
No,
brother.
so why you think when Calibut come? When Calibut song they go.
Finally, the herbs come around that tune.
All right.
And gentlemen.
Him speak patois in that.
Yes, and gentlemen speak patois in intoxication as well.
The tonality
So what you
when
try say?
use it was totally different.
But remember, the
Pronunciation
man
is
have an
key,
accent,
sir.
my youth. The man have an accent.
Pronunciation is key,
And the
sir.
man have an accent.
Pronunciation, the expert said it.
And the man have an accent. They're
Expert
not
said it.
Jamaican.
What are you saying,
Him not listen. Him not here.
Nah,
Hear
listen,
all
man.
I wanna say, but him have an
Guys,
accent, so him have a sound different.
But we still I say, why is it then that then teacher? Why is it then that currently in the current space of dancehall, why is it that Popcaan is the biggest international dancehall artist now? And Kranium. Why is it that those two there are the biggest international dancehall artists we have now? But locally,
Talent.
but locally,
the American beats are quick.
but locally,
But
locally,
because
I
pronunciation they big.
but
Yeah,
locally,
because of pronunciation, brother.
pronunciation
What I
all the
say?
while.
Appear, yo, this
Because
sound
of
like
the
a,
clarity.
this come like
The
dancehall not a fun.
The clarity.
Dancehall not a fun, man.
Them a beat
clarity.
down pronunciation
Matt
with the
is not
world.
talk, brother.
Love
Matt
with
is not
our
talk.
patois,
That
with
is
Okay,
not mad
and
patois.
said
What
said
them want
who?
hear.
Said who?
Lord,
Said who?
When
Said
I
by
realize
madness
though, when I
because why? He
realize,
had said so.
Lord of
He had
bullshit.
when I
because
realize,
he had
hold
said
on,
so. Please, yeah.
I wonder if
Brother,
you had
the
and
beat.
teacher
Dancehall
realize
is about the beat
it's
as
not even the
well.
beat, teacher. Why is it
Shit,
that
you're
As well.
talking. You're
me
talking
still,
shit.
me still a go mention, me
What
still a go
Japan, the
mention,
people them the big
Yeah.
about
me
the
still a go
enunciation, them
mention,
can't
me
speak
still a go
English. The
mention,
people them
Popcaan. Let's
rap.
have a popcorn for.
me still a go mention Popcaan again. Why is it that he
Microwave.
has the most international collabs as an artist now? Why?
It's not because of pronunciation, Jude.
It's what then? Talent?
I know
Nah,
because you know why I'm popular
Popcaan has
because
a
of
market
marketing.
from cartel.
Market.
Popcaan have a
when you stop talking about Popcaan of a market from cartel, stop talking about
Yes,
that, then
obviously.
that not have nothing to do with what I'm not doing
No,
right
I
now.
have nothing to do with teacher. When I have a better
talk
marketing
about?
person around him.
Yo, really
Him have him personality, him have a system,
the
the
man
OVO thing and
easy,
stuff.
the man
Yeah,
easy for
personality.
transition on the
Yeah,
beat.
that too. In nothing for
Just
the
like
enunciation
Movado.
alone.
I went down to
on, man.
Jude.
Transition on the
So
beat.
Jude, that's a Popcaan sing standard English.
That's why I'm
Yeah,
try.
it's
I
like
didn't say
Alright.
you know, keep on and get it wrong.
that's get dancehall not a
Pronunciation
fun,
and
man.
enunciation
Yes,
does
I
not
would
mean
imagine.
keeping
Dancehall not
that
a
English.
fun.
True, you see how the man
Mr.
do.
Linguist.
The only way for them type
Mr.
of man who
Linguist.
really know about the dancehall thing,
Mr.
talking
Linguist.
a gimmicks, you know.
Mr.
The man
Linguist.
you carry
Then-
dancehall, you not carry dancehall listener, no. A radio station alone in your
No,
dancehall.
that's
See,
why,
when the man
and
losing
again,
argument to them start bring
and
some
again,
You lose the
It was
argument
man,
because you get the
Yeah,
expert
yeah,
opinion and
to the
still
point.
chat the
So
rubbish.
the way
Salaman,
You get the
talk about
expert
Salaman.
opinion and still chat the
music.
rubbish.
Salaman,
That's
that's
the
why,
style, brother.
that's why, so you see why dancehall not reach nowhere.
Yeah,
no,
because
but you
criminal
talk crap,
niggas-
Jude. You talk crap.
criminal niggas like
What's
yeah.
that? Yes,
A man go
Popcaan
say,
in a standard English.
a man go say, Intence are the biggest thing, and Yahoo boys. We not saying that Intence and Yahoo boys is not doing what it is doing, but it is not going anywhere.
Yeah, man. So, for real, still dancehall music. We, as Jamaica, we little, but we Talawa, over years, our music has impacted all the world over. Music there, Japan. But if you compare which part reggae music is to where dancehall music is, we see where reggae music more global. Artists regularly tour Europe and all these things, but we don't really have that consistency, especially nowadays where dancehall music is concerned and where mainstream is concerned. But we need to take it back locally and look on the industry itself, look on how we can provide more structure to the industry, can provide more support, more infrastructure, because the dancehall music remains a means through which young black ghetto youths can escape poverty and hardship. So we just need to provide the type of support we them need, such as marketing, artist management, talent development, even recording studio times and so forth, for just continue the growth and the promulgation of the music. And go out.
We have to say just a simple thing. As I say, the way the music is delivered, so in terms of clarity and enunciation, pronunciation, and the slowing down of syllables and stuff like that, very important. I'm not saying that's the end-all factor, but it's something we have to look at, and that comes from where Jiro was in terms of in terms of talent development. So that come under something like learn how to sing on the right key, or for pronounce, or for enunciate, stuff like that. And again, also the marketing system. There's no recognizable or reputable organization in Jamaica, such like a Sony or anything like that. The only time we ever had some form of aspect of that was when Chris Blackwell did there. And look at Bob Marley. Basically Chris Blackwell and the influence of Chris Blackwell have, and how him set up in movement and production at the thing, you see me? So yeah. Need to work on the industry. Salam.
Yeah man. So this is the teacher. Yeah man. So my point of view with the enunciation part, leave that alone, because the foreigners them love to hear the authentic Jamaican patois over the rhythm. The dancehall beat is unique to us, and the world look towards that from us in terms of the beat and the language. You know, because I bring the tourists to the island. So I don't think we're supposed to change that per se. And when it comes on to the industry, we need a structure. Somebody agree to us, some of the man themselves a while ago, the structure. We're not on a structure. And we don't even have no space to play the music. You know, so that are my 2 cents. Yeah, out.
Yes, I totally agree with teacher. We just need a difference in terms of like marketing. Once you have a proper marketing structure with your team, I think you go far away. Case in point, Shensea. She's doing very well. Very well. Not because of her talent, not because of her pronunciation of words, it's because of marketing. I'm out.
I would say good looks.
Dancehall is where it is right now because more can be done. If we continue to not see what the differences we can do, it is going to remain the same. Some artists realize this and they are gaining from it because they realize, one, as Solomon said, enunciation and clarity is required for a worldwide audience. We are not doing dancehall just for Jamaicans, we are doing it for the world. And in doing it for the world, we have to be able to make music be heard. So you find that artists like, as I mentioned before, Popcaan, Kranium, they are slowing down their words. It's still in patois, but they are slowing it down so persons can hear what they are saying. And it is reaping success for them. Now all I say is, yeah, the new era dancehall is there in terms of trap dancehall. It sounds good to the young youth them now. The young youth them make them money, but they're making them money in the local space. There's more to be made. If we can just regularize certain things, as mentioned, get the proper structure in, get the proper persons in, to make them know that there is money that can be made so that they will do their investments, then we can take it from there. Some person here mentioned about Shensea. Yeah, she's there now doing her thing. But is it that she reach where she should reach? No. She's there also because, and we not have to hide and say it, because she's brown. There are other persons who are way more talented than her. She's brown and she don't look the part. Now if she makes it, great. But if she make it, it's just going to concrete the fact that only brown dancehall artists of a certain shade, a certain hue, a certain quote-unquote mixture of race is going to make it, and it's because of that. So we can say Sean Paul make it, yeah, he was a dancehall artist, but he make it because of him skin color. And we're not going to hide and say, we're not going to take the fact from saying they have to put in work. But that was the main reason. Down to last week, one program, international program, big program overseas, talk show. One of the hosts said that up to last time when they had him on the program, him was still not convinced that he was Jamaican. He was convinced that he was from Puerto Rico living in the Bronx. So stop make them little things a fool. We don't feel that because she's there now and she's rubbing shoulders with some people. It's because she's doing the work. It's because she's brown. Don't take that out of it then. So as I say, there's more that can be done. I could do our part the regulations can be made, whether it be through government organizations, corporate Jamaica, to not just use the artists just to boost their goods and products, but also to boost the artists themselves. So we can do more. If you look on dancehall, as I say, the biggest dancehall album that dropped in the last 5 years or the last decade is Views by Drake. How is that the case? The majority of that album was dancehall. But Drake can use it and reach where him reach because of how he pronounce the words and the people hear it. And him a capitalize for our thing. What's your name, yeah? Rihanna. The last couple of songs that she do before she gone in a makeup now were dancehall.
Dancehall and Tuesday.
Yeah, and now them say she gonna do one dancehall album and the whole world are waiting for that. Why is it that the whole world is waiting on a Rihanna dancehall album and not a Spice dancehall album? Why is it that Spice, who is this big thing in the US, drop our album and the first week sales are only 900 copies? More can be done. So just we know if we find out what we can do and play our part. Hit that. So thanks for listening. Run through.
Yeah man,
Go to and Google.
Yeah man, give thanks for tuning in to another episode of Bar Talk JA. Remember, if you haven't subscribed,
so our input, Jiro. You have to silence a little fools, you know.
Whoa, Shensea.
Yeah. So give thanks for the views. Give thanks for tuning in. Remember to like,
Loans,
subscribe, and share.
But you don't see it. Authentic music. Authentic vibes.
Hold on.
Type in the comments, not the podcast, not the chat.
Teacher.